I gave my life, my hopes, my very soul, to build a fire to help your spirit be whole. I planted love where shadows used to grow. I offered everything I believed your heart could hold. But the ghosts of yesterday held you in their grip. I watched the poison touch your trembling lips. I said the tracks were wafted ahead, the bottle drowned our hopes instead. I warned you we were headed for ruin, deep and wide. I begged you, come out of the darkness, step out from the inside. The bridge was out, the iron rails twisted in the dark. I jumped before the crash destroyed what was left of my heart. You called my labor a vile wreck that we both had made, but I felt like a passenger watching you fade. The crash was of your making, I'd be dead if I stayed. Begged to return under a dark sky. It broke my heart to stand alone and let the embers die. I refused the ghost of what I thought we could be. Your crazy train was no place for me. You chose a bottle's empty bliss over the love I built, and now you clothe me in your own guilt. The bridge was out, the iron rails twisted in the dark. I jumped before the crash destroyed what was left of my heart. You called my labor a vile wreck that we both had made, but I felt like a passenger watching you fade. The crash was of your making, I'd be dead if I stayed. I didn't stoke the engine, I didn't steer the wheel. I'm just the one who broke the binding seal. I saw your doom, I felt the coming blow. I jumped off the runaway train because I had to let you go. You call it our destruction, you say I helped it burn, but I